Welcome to our lesson on measurements. We will determine the density of objects. Let us start by converting units correctly. Measurement is determining size using a suitable instrument. It is vital in science. We measure length, mass, and temperature reliable results. Accurate measurements make experiments reliable. A physical quantity is any property. Length, unit is meter, symbol M. Mass, kilogram, kg. Time, seconds. And temperature, Kelvin, K. Notice how I align the zero mark of the ruler. The digital scale gives us an exact reading, and that's exactly 12.5 seconds. The thermometer reads 25 degrees. Let's record all these results here. Length is the distance between 2 points. Its standard SI unit is the meter. We also use kilometers and millimeters. Typical instruments are the meter rule and measuring 100 centimeters. Yes, Last, go ahead.
What is the use of tape measure?
Great question, Last. Longer distances, such as the length of a football field. You slowly pull it out to measure like this. Now let's learn how to measure length correctly. Align the end of the pencil perfectly with the zero mark to avoid any reading errors. As you can see, the pencil's lengths. Always remember to record your nth units. Let's remember that the SI unit of length is meters, in millimeters, with the zeroter in millimeters and centimeters. 1 kilometer to heart 1,000 meters. With some very small length of this book in meters, centimeters. Distances like that from Mutoko Center to Hadias, some length in kilometers. Remember, 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. Convert 3.5 centimeters to meters. Yes, Charlene.
Since 1 meter divided by 100 is 0.35 meters.
Correct! That concludes our lesson for today. Our next lesson will be covering mass. See you. You can revisit and watch all these lessons on our website, mugombionlineschool.com, whenever you wish to revise.
Remember to invite
your friends. See you all there!